Right, we need to integrate this. We use the substitution u being equivalent to x to the fourth add 4. And this implies that du dx is equal to 4x cubed. Again, we chose this as u because when we differentiate x to the fourth power, we can see that we have 4x cubed. So we have x cubed there. We can actually transpose and just have what x cubed is equivalent to in terms of the new operator du. And let's further to that, we'll just write that as du now. The new operator is 4x cubed dx. All we have to do is divide each side by 4, and we have x cubed dx, which is a substitution here. And we know this is u. So let's go ahead and do that. X cubed x to the 4 squared dx is equivalent to integral, we have a quarter u squared du. Then we have a quarter, we have a third u cubed and c, which gives us a 12th, u being x to the 4th add 4 cubed at the constant of integration. Thanks for watching. I'm Alistair.